But apparently they said that it's actually expensive. Like they try and make it high, so you have to bargain a lot.
Yes, especially because they know that
Tourists
usually target these places more than anyone. I'll give you a tip. When you come with a local, let the local speak first. Like, don't speak. I won't speak in English. I'll speak in Swahili, so that they'll think that I'm a local and you're a local.
Yes.
Yeah, so you get a better price.
We are now at the hub.
It's called
Hub Car. So it's like
it's a mall.
Here. We are actually going to the MAASAI market. So really hope you guys enjoyed this journey. We're gonna take a matatu.
We're going to take a matatu.
Matatu. We're gonna take a matatu and we're gonna head off to where?
We're going to Lavington, to the MAASAI market at Lavington. Today it's Friday, so it's
there. So you guys, the MAASAI market is not in one place all the time. It moves every single day to different locations.
Yeah.
So today it's in Lavington. So we're heading there. Hope you guys enjoy our bus journey and everything else. Bye. Okay. So guys, this is an update. I just got off my matatu. It was good. I nearly slept off like a baby, but it was I don't know. It's my second time, and it feels like a normal like Niger bus, to be honest. But it was nicer, more fun. But the music was not enough. I wanted like a proper music one, but we waited for a long time for one with like for the youthful people. But it was good. It was good. Yes, I enjoyed it. And now we're gonna get to.
Now we are at the junction. This is the junction mall. Yeah, and then we're heading to Lavington.
Okay.
We're probably going to get a boda boda.
A boda boda?
Yeah, and then head to Lavington Mall for the MAASAI market.
Yes. A boda boda is one of those, right?
The motorbikes.
Oh, yeah. Motorbike. I didn't want to. Okay, let's do it.
Are you
yes, I'm feeling it. Let's do a boda boda. I'll get you on a motorbike. Yes. For my video, this is my boda boda for my first time on boda boda. Let's go. So you make sure I'm safe, eh? So guys, we are at Lavington Mall, and as we said, this is where the MAASAI market holds today. So it's literally here. Look at it, guys. All little what do you call little stalls, I guess.
Yes, little stalls
of all the MAASAI products. But apparently they said that it's actually expensive. Like they try and make it high, so you have to bargain a lot.
Yes, especially because they know that tourists usually target these places more than anyone.
Me, I'm going to bargain because I have no money. I'm trying to get the cheapest things, and I'm hoping to get some things here for the giveaway. So
And I'll give you a tip. When you come with a local, let the local speak first. Like, don't speak. I won't speak in English. I'll speak in Swahili, so that they'll think that I'm a local and you're a local.
Yes.
Yeah, so you get a better price.
Angalia. Look at the beads. These beads are not
These
this
are
one.
fine.
These are fine beads. This is rough beads.
She says.
Yeah. Look at the difference. Unaona? These beads are the same as this one.
You see?
Kitu mzuri ujiuza, my dear. See stories. I'm trying you to make understand why I'm asking that price. Because kama ni hii ningeutisha so nane.
Yeah, you know.
This is 800. Unaona?
Mali masikio haitavunjika.
Si ndio? So tell me how much you want to pay. This is 3-in-1 necklace.
But you know you can't wear this one day.
Exactly. It is not 3 in 1, eh? So guys, we are currently shopping for sandals that I'm hoping to give away in the giveaway. So yes, I'm bargaining hard because these Kenyan people, they're not nice to Nigerians. They're treating me like I'm a tourist. But she's trying to help me bargain hard, so hopefully we'll get something soon.
Wish us luck.
Okay, which one? So guys, it is already like 6 something and I'm tired. Got a number of things, got a bunch of stuff for the giveaway, you know, yes, that much stuff. I felt this market is a bit pricey. It's a bit pricey, as in somebody went to buy this thing, which is like a map of Africa, and the lady said 4,500, which is obviously ridiculous. And I got her down to 1,000, thinking I got a good bargain. Bought it, and I went somewhere else, and the person bid for 800. So imagine that. She said 4,500.
Like
so imagine if I bought it for that amount of.
The price.
Maybe it's even worth like 300, right? Yeah. So the tip, if you come to the MAASAI market, is that bargain hard. If they say 1,000, say 10.
And also, before you buy, make sure you compare prices. Like
around
to one
yes.
place. I think that's one thing we've learned today.
Yes.
Like compare different vendors. How much does this one sell?
Yes.
And then make your decision.
Yeah, because most of the vendors actually sell the same things. You find the same products, even earrings, anything. Yes. Yeah. But anyways, guys, I really hope you enjoyed, us venturing out today to the MAASAI market. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to hit the like button. And we'll see you next time. Bye. Well, she might not see you next time because I'm leaving, but
it was nice being here with you guys. Make sure to follow me on my blog.
Yes, follow her on her blog. And she'll start YouTube in a minute. Wow. She'll start YouTube soon. So when she starts,
Yay.
follow her. All right, guys. Bye.